What's up guys, to a new YouTube video. Today I will be drawing a bird. So right now I'm on this new art app that I got. It's called iArtBook, but today I won't be drawing on that. You'll see what I'm drawing on. Go to the intro. So like I said, I will not be using this app. I'll show you the app that I'm using shortly, and I hope you enjoy me drawing a bird and showing you how to draw a bird. So the app I will be using is Sketchbook. Then I know you probably can't see me moving there, but yeah, Sketchbook. It's a great app for beginners. I recommend it for starting because it's free. I usually use Procreate, but I wanted to start. There are many pens in this app, so I wanted to turn it this way so it's going to be easier to draw the bird. Now I wanted to start with a light sketch, and then I'll be going to a dark sketch. So just enjoy watching me do my light sketch. So now, as you can see, I have been drawing the bird on a branch. Later I'll be drawing a tail, because the bird won't look normal without the tail. So right now I'm just getting the branches nice, and then now I'm doing the second leg. And back to the music. Okay, so now that I'm done my light sketch, I am going to be doing my dark sketch. So I've chose a little bit of a charcoal thing, but that was a bit too big, so I just kept on pressing the undo button so I can get it a bit smaller. So now I'm going to be doing my dark sketch, and I hope you enjoy, and I'll be back with you soon. as you see, I've done a bit of some dark shadows, and I've done my light sketch of the tail as well. I'm just going to be carrying on doing some shadows and making it look a bit more darker and more realistic. So I'll see you at the end product and I'll show you. Okay, so this is going to be a bit longer, so I'm just going to show you the end product and I'm just going to skip a bit. I don't want a too long video, so I'll see you in a bit. Okay, now I'm about to show you the end product, so before I do, please like and subscribe. It would mean the world to us, and this is the end product. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, if you just wanted to watch, then yeah, here's the end product. And if you wanted to copy down, maybe take a screenshot or just follow what I did. And I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.